Ever since they became available to your average consumer, 3D printers have caught the eye of every person who's into crafting and engineering. For a while now, these devices cost a fortune, and because of this, they were off limits to the majority of people. But thanks to the technological progress made in the past few years, we're now able to buy a decent 3D printer for as little as $200, and in the following minutes, we're going to help you make the best possible decision and show you our top choices when it comes to 10 of the best cheap 3D printers. DaVinci Mini is a wireless 3D printer that uses filaments made from PLA plastics derived from cornstarch, so printing with it will be entirely safe for the environment. Sporting an elegant and minimalist design, this device is so user-friendly that you literally just have to push a button and it will print away your favorite objects. DaVinci Mini costs only $200 and it's definitely one, if not the best choice when it comes to budget 3D printers. Produced by Monoprice, Select Mini is a highly versatile printer, being able to use all types of filaments, from the classic ABS and plastic ones to the more advanced wood and metal composites. Featuring an open frame design and a small footprint, this mini 3D printer is so compact that you can fit it pretty much on any desk, making it a very sought after gadget, and to top it all off, it comes at the very modest price of only $190. The FlashForge Finder is probably the best looking 3D printer on the market. Its red frame making it look extra slick, but this cool gizmo doesn't just impress through its aesthetic features alone, it also packs an intuitive color touchscreen, a slide-in build plate, and an assisted bed leveling. All of these features making the FlashForge Finder one of the simplest to use and most affordable tri-dimensional printers. Koledo is a do-it-yourself type of printer, so setting it up is going to be a pretty fun experience if you're the type of person who likes to get their hands dirty assembling things. Best for educational use, this 3D printer is small, lightweight, and most importantly, odorless, making it the perfect addition to a classroom, for example. Offering a very high-quality print and being intuitive to use, the Koledo is simply a steal for the specs it has. Neva is a plug-and-play 3D printer that can be used as soon as you get it out of the box. No annoying and time-consuming installation steps being necessary to be able to finally enjoy printing something. You simply load the design you want on an SD card, insert it into Neva's slot, and feast your eyes on the mesmerizing process that's going to unfold in the following minutes, operating this printer being just a walk in the park. Equipped with a HEPA filter, the UP Mini 2 is a 3D printer that can even be used by children since it has an enclosed frame and it works with environmentally friendly materials. Like the other models listed in our selection, this device is fairly easy to operate, the Wi-Fi printing function and the responsive touch screen being some of its most prominent strong points. All in all, the UP Mini 2 is one of the most advanced budget 3D printers you can get. But another DIY model with some assembly required, the ComGrow Creality 3 has the ability to resume printing if a power outage occurs, this function being very useful in saving you a lot of time and materials. Even though you'll have to spend up to 2 hours to set it all up, once the printer is on, it only needs 5 minutes for the hotbed to reach 110 degrees Celsius, meaning that you'll be able to start printing your favorite miniatures right away. Anycubic i3 Mega might be a budget option, but it's certainly not a small 3D printer by any means. In fact, you can use it to build figurines as big as 21 centimeters. Its plug-and-play features and user-friendly screen let you select all the options necessary to print a high-quality object. So the Anycubic can be considered a truly educational tool and will definitely be a nice addition to your household. The Anet might not be the best looking 3D printer in the world, but the fact that it only costs $200 is a huge factor that leads many people to buy it. Also, the quality of the printed objects is not too shabby, making this device a notable option for the people who would like to play around with a 3D printer but don't want to spend too much money on their weekend hobby. All in all, the Anet is successfully competing against other budget printers on the market. Coming as a complete DIY kit, the Tevo Tarantula is a 3D printer that you need to completely build from scratch, being ideal for the crafty users who very much enjoy tinkering with nuts and bolts. With a light and durable acrylic frame, this affordable device is a fairly sturdy one, so you don't have to worry about any potential damage to the printer when you're using it for an extended period of time. We hope you've enjoyed our video highlighting some of the best cheap 3D printers you can find. If you did, please press that like button, as we do appreciate it and it helps us immensely. We often ask our audience for suggestions to compile these lists. If you'd like to contribute, please follow NerdVid on Facebook. If you've tested other great 3D printers, tell us in the comments below, because we do try to read pretty much everything. Now would also be a good time to encourage you to subscribe, because we upload new videos all the time. Subscribing will keep you up to date with all of our latest content. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.